Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Snickers cheesecake. The first thing you want to do is add your digestive biscuits and cocoa powder to a blender and blend until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. You can do this by hand, but it'll take a bit longer. Add your biscuit mixture to a bowl with some melted butter and stir it until combined. Put this into your tin and press it until you have a firm biscuit base, then pop it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes to set. In a bowl, add your cream cheese and loosen it up a little bit by mixing it, and then add your icing sugar, mix again, and then add your double cream and mix again. Then you want to melt some Snickers either in the microwave or on the hob over a bain-marie. The texture looks really weird, but just trust me and the process, I promise it will work. Add this to your cheesecake mix, and then you can spread your mixture in the tin, and then give it a little wobble and shake just to spread the mixture out properly, and pop it in the fridge, ideally overnight. Another weird texture but totally works, mix some caramel sauce and peanut butter together, spread it over the top of your cheesecake, then top with some more chopped up Snickers, and just like that your Snickers cheesecake is complete. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.